Right, Rude gaskets. Everything's ready to go. So possibly if my son's in the mood tomorrow, we might assemble this engine and get it closer to put onto the deck. So thanks for watching. I hope you've been enjoying this restoration project. It's been a lot of work, but it's coming up pretty good. And I didn't feel it more necessary to polish that any further. I wanted to retain that that original casting effect, but it is very, very clean. Can't get much cleaner than that. A couple little bit more bits and pieces to make, but other than that, we're sailing pretty smoothly. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned.